Good morning, everybody. It's a little bit bright out, but I'm here in front of the Twin Falls Subaru service drive. Let me just go ahead and stop blinding myself. We've got our service drive. The left two doors are for the main shop. We do have a cone in front of one at the moment, but we do have a lot of room for guests to come in for service work. What we would like to offer from today through March 15th is if you have one of those pesky warning lights on your dash, a check engine light, an airbag light, maybe the brake light's showing even though you don't have the emergency brake on, oil level light, battery light, any of the lights that might show up on your dash, you haven't had a chance to get it diagnosed, or if you're just a little bit worried about how much it's going to cost to get something like that fixed or diagnosed, we would like to extend an offer to you. Like I said, from today through March 15th, Twin Falls Subaru is offering to cover the first 30 minutes of the diagnostic work for basic diagnostics on your vehicle to determine what caused that light to come on. So of course, some issues are going to be a little bit bigger of a job. So in that case, if we need more than 30 minutes, we're going to reach out to you, let you know that we think we're going to need another hour, hour and a half, and we are doing a discounted labor rate for the diagnostic as part of our Lights Out campaign. You can go ahead and set your appointment for that because this is by appointment only, 208-734-8860. You can go to our website, twinfalls-subaru.com, use the chat feature, use our schedule service feature, and they'll verify the availability for you of the time slot that you select. We do have rental vehicles available for a very reasonable price, so that way if you still need to get around for a little bit, as long as you're staying in the state of Idaho, then we do have a lot of those vehicles available, so that way you can drive around in a Subaru and still get around. So this is really just something that we want to say is thank you, help you love your car a little bit more, and help you get the diagnostic work done on your vehicle, because sometimes that could be an expensive area of the repairs. And good morning, James. Hi, Andrew. No, so we want to just offer to our neighbors a little bit of a free and discounted service to help get those lights off the dash, because those can be rather annoying when you check them out, and you're looking down and it could just bring dread and trepidation and worry, and at night it's just annoying having that extra orange or red light flying up in your face. So please give us a call, 208-734-8860, and let our team go ahead and set up an appointment for you so we can get that free diagnostic appointment going and see if we can't get you to fall back in love with your car on Valentine's Day and beyond. As I mentioned, we are running this special through March 15th. So please call us, 208-734-8860, so we can get your free basic diagnostic appointment set up, and we can see about getting those lights cleared off and help them not come back again, or at least give you an estimate on what the repair will be to get rid of those pesky lights. So you can check us out, twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com, 208-734-8860. And once you pull into that left door after your appointment's made, we've got Dana and Jordan ready to get your vehicle checked in and get it assigned to a technician for that diagnostic work, so we can get you back on the road without those lights annoying you. Again, 208-734-8860, twinfalls-subaru.com, twinfalls-subaru.com, and we look forward to helping clear those lights and help you get back on the road with a safe, reliable vehicle.